All right, guys, finally got some wheels. This will probably be my last major mod of the year. I'll do minor mods here and there, but major mods, this will probably be it. I'm happy with the power. Like I said, I want to focus on weight savings and aerodynamics. So I think that being said, everything else will be fairly cheap. You know, a couple bucks here, a couple bucks there. This will be my last major one. I did get some Enkeis. So I'm deciding right now if I should reveal them. Should I tell you guys what I got? I mean, you guys probably could see right there, actually. I don't know if you guys can or not. But if you can, cool. If not, I don't know if I should do an unboxing. I'm gonna sit here and ponder about it. Huh. All right, hold on. Let me see something real quick. All right. Make sure if they're covered. Yeah, they are covered. There they are. Whew. Give you guys a little sneak peek. Oh, they're black. I'll tell you that. But I'm gonna cut this video actually. No, fuck it. Here we go.